Welcome to Medha Education channel. Today we're gonna talk about current affairs quiz. Let's start our session. Our first question, was the first metal used by man? ऐसा कौन सा मेटल था जो सबसे पहले मैन के द्वारा यूज किया गया? सिल्वर, ब्रास, कॉपर, प्लैटिनम. Your answer is copper. The Harappan culture belonged to Paleolithic age, Neolithic age, Chalcolithic age, none of the above. Your answer is option number C, Chalcolithic age. Next question. Consider the following statement. Earth crust is rich in heavy metals. They used in many modern life applications. Select correct statement. One only, two only, both one and two only, neither one and two only. यहाँ पे one होगा. Neither one and two only. Your answer is option number C, both one and two only. And next question. Heavy metals are used in solar plants, mobile phones, particle acceleration. Select correct option. You have to choose correct option. 1 and 2 only, 1 and 3 only, 2 and 3 only, 1, 2 and 3 only. Your answer is option number D. Our next question. Let's see the explanation here. Heavy metals are relatively scarce in the earth crust but are present in many aspects of modern life. They are used in कहाँ कहाँ पे heavy metals का use होता है? Golf clubs, cars, antiseptics, self cleaning, ovens, plastics, solar plants, mobile phones, particle acceleration. In India, which of the following type of forest is teak, a dominant tree species? Tropical moist deciduous forest, tropical rainforest, tropical thorn scrub forest, temperate forest with grassland. Your answer is option number A, tropical moist deciduous. Let's see our explanation. A tropical moist deciduous forest exists mostly in the eastern part of the country. Northeastern states along the foothills of the Jharkhand, Himalayas, Jharkhand, West Odisha, Chhattisgarh, eastern slopes, western Ghats. Teak is the most dominant species of this forest. Bamboos, sal, shisham, sandalwood, kahir, kusum, arjun, mulberry are other commercial important species. Nanostructure made from which of the following elements are used extensively? Uranium, carbon, hydrogen, silicon. Your answer is option number B, carbon. And next question. Consider the following statement. Graphene is nanoallotropes of silicon. Graphene can be used in solar panels. Select correct statement. One only, two only, both one and two only, neither one and two only. Your answer is option number B. Your answer is option number B, two only. Consider following statement. The process one substance takes up another substance through minute pores or space between them is called absorption. The process in which there is adhesion of atoms, ions and molecules from a gas, liquid or a solid surface is called adsorption. Is called adsorption. आपको बताना है वन स्टेटमेंट सही है, टू सही है कि बोथ वन एंड टू आर करेक्ट. Your answer is option number C. Each day is more or less than the same. Morning is clear and bright with a sea breeze as the sun climbs high in the sky. Heat mounts up, dark clouds form, and the rain comes with thunder and lightning. But the rain is soon over. Which of the following region is described in the above passage? Savanna, equator, monsoon, Mediterranean. Your answer is B. Equator. Climate is characterized by consistently high temperature around 30 degrees Celsius with plentiful precipitation 150 to 1000 centimeter, heavy cloud cover and high humidity with a little annual temperature variation. Wet equator region lie within about 12 degree latitude of the equator. What is the equator? If let's suppose this is the earth, it's not spherical, but yeah, some type of diagram. This equator is, this point is known as equator. This point is known as equator and this point is known as poles. Let's take our next question. For the production of nanostructure, which of the following method is used? Chemical vapor, deposition, deformation. Select correct statement. Here is the question. Select correct statement. Only one, only two, both 1 and 2, neither 1 and 2. Your answer is C. Both 1 and 2 are correct. Our next question. Which of the following is associated with the issue of control and phasing out of the use of ozone depletion substances? Bretton Woods Conference, Montreal Protocol, Kyoto Protocol, Nagoya Protocol. अगर आपने मेरा क्योटो प्रोटोकॉल पे लेक्चर नहीं देखा है, यू विल फाइंड इन द प्लेलिस्ट. प्लीज़ आप उस सेक्शन को ज़रूर देखिएगा. इट इज़ रियली वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. योर आंसर इज option number B, Montreal Protocol. Let's see our homework question. Let's see our explanation first. The Montreal Protocol on substances that deplete the ozone layer, a protocol to Vienna Convention for the protection of ozone layer. Maybe आप इन सब वर्ड से अभी थोड़े न्यू हो. वियना कन्वेंशन एंड डिप्लेशन ऑफ डेप्लेट ऑफ ओजोन लेयर. तो ये सारे आपको लेक्चर मेरे प्लेलिस्ट में मिल जाएंगे. प्लीज़ आप उसको ज़रूर देख लें. वियना कन्वेंशन फॉर द प्रोटेक्शन ऑफ ओजोन लेयर इज़ एन इंटरनेशनल ट्रीटी. ये कौन सी ट्रीटी है? इंटरनेशनल ट्रीटी है. डिज़ाइन टू प्रोटेक्ट द ओजोन लेयर बाय फेजिंग आउट द प्रोडक्शन ऑफ न्यूमरस सब्सटेंसेस that are responsible for ozone depletion. Bretton Woods Conference relate to the IMF and World Bank. This is a static question. IMF और World Bank से related कौन सा है? Bretton Woods Conference है. Kyoto Protocol about cutting emission of greenhouse gases. Nagoya Protocol is about benefit sharing from the gains by genetic resources. Let's see our homework question. Consider following statement. To fabricate the carbon-based nanostructure shaped like marigold flower, dendritic fiber nanosilica spheres are used as template. Dendritic fiber nanosilica catalyst, gas capture, solar energy harvest. Select correct statement. Only one, only two, both 1 and 2, neither 1 and 2. So here we are ending our session. Please subscribe Medha Education channel. Do like and share and do comment. Thank you.